How to fix Instagram try again later. Let's get started. The try again later error on Instagram is usually a sign that the platform thinks you're acting like a bot or breaking its rules. This can happen if you're liking, following, or commenting too quickly using third party automation tools or even just switching devices or networks too often. To fix it, first stop all Instagram activity for at least 24 to 48 hours. Don't like, comment, follow, or message anyone during this period. Next, change your password. Launch your Instagram. Head over to the Settings and Activity page, click on Account Center, click on the option Password and Security, click on the option Change Password, click on your Instagram username, type in your current password, type in the new password, retype new password and click on Change Password. Next thing you want to do is clear cache for the Instagram app. For that, press and hold on the Instagram app, click on the option Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Then navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram and then install it. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you can do is switch your networks. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch it to mobile data, and in case you are using mobile data, switch it to Wi-Fi. If these solution didn't work out for you, report the problem to Instagram support team. So launch your Instagram app, click on three bars given at the top right, navigate to Settings and Activity page, scroll all the way down, click on the option Help, click on Report your problem, click on Report problem without shaking, click on Don't include and continue. Now here, briefly explain about the issue and send it. Now Instagram support team will get back to you. So these are some fixes for Instagram try again later error. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.